Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with a new airdrop. Airdrop name is mnemonics. First of all, you have to open the Telegram bot link which is given below in the description. As you open the link, you have to press the start button and now you receive this message from the bot. You have to click on play button. As you click on it, a new dashboard will appear on your entire screen. Here you can see target for hacking layer 0. My bills are 0 right now. One PC is sleeping, second is ready for work, and third is also sleeping. We'll click on second. You have to select 6 words here right now. I'm choosing first word is rubber, second is sample, 3 is spy, hybrid, cervix, and violin. My basic score is 60 and 6x faster is 10. Chips are 6x faster than batteries like this. These are batteries, these are chips. The easiest way to get chips is to refer your friend to mnemonics. First of all, I'll tell you how to invite your friend. You have to click on referral. Copy the invite link and share it with your friend. As your friend open the link, you receive 5,000 bills, batteries, and 5 batteries, 5 chips, and 5,000 batteries as you invite your friend through your invitation link. You can see your total referral history right here. And you can see hacking bonuses from friends. If the wallet hack performed by your invited friend is successful, you will receive a bonus of 5% of the bills earned from the wallet hack. These are the coins you have to collect right here. As I am clicking on our leaderboard, I am currently unranked because I haven't performed any special task from my account. Here you can see the quests from the bot. You can complete the quest to receive the chips, to collect the chips right here, like retweet 1 million snapshot coming, retweet hacking layer 0, retweet 800k hackers on board, like guide video for new game rule, retweet airdrop coming soon, retweet the new community hacking game. You can complete all the quests right here. It's easiest quest all the time and receive your chips right here. Next we'll see onboarding quests. Hack the wallet successfully and claim your rewards 1000 coins. Click the invite button or share your referral code 500 coins. Invite a new friend and have them join 100 coins. And the last one, claim rewards for inviting your friend 3000 coins. Next we'll see airdrop. Airdrop is coming soon. Exchanges negotiations are ready. Partnerships are in progress. Bills laundering system coming soon. Airdrop checklist coming soon. Next we'll see our wallet. I have currently 0 bills. As I'll complete the quest, I receive my bills, my chips, and my batteries right here. Remember me in your prayers. If you understand all the video, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates from my YouTube channel. We'll meet in our next video. Take care. Bye bye.